This is very amazing. Yeah, it's strange. Or maybe it used to be the one with the circle in the middle.
Yeah.
This is today on the 24th of April 2023. We have Rakuunantie, Womengen 18 here in Munkiniemi, Munksnäs, Helsinki, was Uusimaaniant, Finland. With the original elevator with Zenfors and having 4 fixtures built in 1956. It turned 65 years old in 2021. And it's going to be inspected in 2025. I hope we can get 3 rides here. This number says 6610. We can try that. If it's calm enough. Even if they are renovating.
Yeah.
And it was completely impossible to get inside here.
Yeah. Diskutiert kiva diskutera, että meitä ei pääse pakissi.
Yes. It's still calm here.
Yeah.
I think the sounds are pretty interesting here, and
Yeah.
I love this one.
Yeah.
But this one that they changed in the 1990s or sometime should have been original still.
Yeah. Of course.
That's it, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as we did. It was another very beautiful one.
That's